Hey, hi, this is Lauren, the Keno Queen. I'm gonna go for a pennies, okay? Nichols just bit me in the you know where, okay? Let's go for pennies. So this one's our new numbers. I have A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, and J. We have, and then, well, I start my 17, so I'm playing 11 times my numbers, okay? Let's go. This is Lauren, the Keno Queen, saying hi to you guys, and thank you for subscribing to my channel and liking it. I really appreciate it. So, hi Max. I'm not playing somebody else's numbers. Let's go. I'm playing pennies because I got killed with nickels in the other side. And I did not win, not even a ticket, okay? So let's see. Maybe this numbers will like me. This is Lauren, the Keno Queen, saying hi to you guys from Palma Casino. I will be playing tonight at Pala for a little while. So if you guys want to come over, I'll be at Pala Casino tonight, late tonight. Let's go. Come on. Let's see. At least a 7 out of 7 for the road. Let's see. Something. I'm going to try to play some of those turtles that I saw. You know, I'm going to try to put them up and let's see if I hit anything. So I exchanged my horrible 20 to a good one. So let's see if this one works. Let's go. So, pennies from heaven. Let's go. Come on. Show me the money. I want to be a happy camper, you guys. This is Lauren, the Keno Queen, saying hi to everybody. And thank you. My channel is really growing. I thank everyone that has been making it happen. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. 7 out of 7 at least for the road. I don't want 11 out of 7. I want just 1 at least. Let's go. Make me happy. Want to be a happy camper. I'm gonna put it in autoplay. Let's see. Come on, Keno Queen. You can do it. Call the attendant. Come on, Keno Queen, call the attendant. Let's go. Come on. So I guess these numbers don't work. Gotta change them over. Gotta change them over. Let's go. This is Lauren trying to win. All right, I got 6 out of 8 somewhere here. 6 out of 8. Let's go. Excuse me. Guess I better go get water. All right, come on. 7 out of 7. Somebody help me please here. I gotta go get water. I'll be right back, okay? Hold on. Nothing. Let's go. Come on, Keno Queen. Let's give my audience what they want. Another 6 out of 8. Come on, let's go. 7 out of 7. Oh, I am already 6 minutes. I better stop here. If I win, I will let you know. Okay? Thanks for watching. I really appreciate you guys coming to see me and enjoying my channel. This is Lauren, the Keno Queen. Bye.